am Novahu, Greek teacher. Welcome to this channel. I hope you have completed caps, capital letters, learning capital letters and learning small letters. Here there are some tips that I want to give you. Number one tip. For example, there is a gamma before gamma. If two gammas come together, you have to pronounce like N sound, ing, N sound. Angelos, angelos. Angelos means messenger or angel. Evangelion, Evangelion. So these are two gammas, sounds like N. You have to be careful about learning this. Note number 2, there are two letters represent E. There are two letters represent E sound, E and O. So they are long vowels, epsilon and eta. This is a small E, this is a long E. So it sounds like E. This is E. We have to recognize this. And there is another word, omicron. This is a small O. And there is a long O, omega. So it's pronounced like O, and this is O. So we have to learn these two things. Number 3, zeta. Zeta is pronounced like DZ. For example, sodzo. This is not sozo, but sodzo. DZ you have to pronounce like sodzo. And if it is coming in the beginning of a letter, a word, you have to pronounce like Z. Example, zetayo. Zetayo. Zetayo means I seek. I also can be used as a consonant, sometimes iota. Number 4. Iota can be used as consonant sometimes. So it sounds like Y. Actually this is a vowel, but it can be used as consonant. And number 5. There are two sigmas, I already told. Sigma and sigma. For example, Jesus. Jesus. Here the word Jesus. This sigma and then other sigma. So this is written in the middle, this is written in the end. We have to recognize this. And the next we have tau. Tau is pronounced like tough T. Tau. It is like pronounced like T. So in the next lesson I am going to tell you about the diphthongs, and be careful in recognizing these notes, so that if you can learn this, this is very useful for reading Greek, understanding the technical things. Thank you.